geobyte.
Very important concept. That's why I mentioned a note. A number divisible by 4, 6, 12 and having a common remainder is 1. Then find the smallest number. Dear children, remember here we have a one number x. Suppose that x divided by the 4, your remainder is 1. That same x divided by the 6, remainder is 1. The same x divided by the 12, again remainder is 1. What is the x value? That is the point. Here you can clearly observe x divided by the 4, x divided by the 6, x divided by the 12 also. So x is divided by 4, 6, 12 means this x compulsory common multiple of these numbers, then it is possible. Otherwise not possible. So x we got 1 point common multiple. And also what kind of the multiple we need? Least. So LCM. So LCM of the numbers 4, 6, 12, then it is divisible individually. LCM means exactly cancel. But every time you want remainder is 1. So that's why that 1 is added here. LCM of the given plus 1. This is our logic. Very important. Simply logic. Suppose A friend B, C friend D, C friend also B. Okay, not a D. A friend is B, C's friend is B, D friend is B. So here B is the common friend for A, C, D. In a Facebook, mutual friend. Okay, in the same way, this x divided by the 4, this x divided by the 6, this x divided by 12 means this x is compulsory divisible by 4, 6, 12. So that means common multiple. I want what kind of the multiple? Least common multiple. But every time you want remainder 1. Because LCM is exactly divided by the numbers. But you want remainder. So that remainder added. Okay. So confirmation for this point. Confirmation of this point. Common remainder. Common remainder. This is the logic. Then answer LCM of given plus common remainder. This is our point. LCM of the given plus common remainder. So LCM of 4, 6, 12. Just now we discussed a small shortcut. 4, 6, 12. What is the highest? 12. 12 divided by the 4. So right. 12 divided by the 6. So right. So LCM directly 12. So 12 plus what is the common remainder? 1. So answer 13. Is it right or wrong? You can check crossing. 13 divided by the 4. 4, 3 is 12. Remainder 1. 13 divided by the 6. 6 2's remainder 1. 13 divided by the 12. 12 ones remainder is 1. Okay, na? So satisfied. Next, same type. A number divisible by 10, 20, 30 and having common remainder is 2. Find the list. LCM shortcut 10, 20, 30. So 30 is divisible by 10. So does not divisible by 20. 30 next multiple 60. Divided by the 10, divided by 20, divided by 30. So LCM directly 60. So what is the logic? Our LCM of given plus common remainder. What is the LCM? 60. Remainder is 2. So answer 62 is the answer. What is the answer? 62. Okay, children. Next. Note 2. These note points are very important. Same concept repeated in examination. These previous questions actually. Bell's concept to traffic signal concept belongs to LCM. You remember. For bells toll at interval of 3, 4, 5 and 8 seconds. This is first bell every 3 seconds. Second bell every 4 seconds. Third bell every 5 seconds. Fourth bell every 8 seconds. First morning at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 7, what it may be, 4 bells toll together. After 7 o'clock or after 8 o'clock, anything. Again, at what time 4 bells toll together? That is the question. Then meaning, common multiple of these 4 numbers. Suppose the common multiple is x. At the time of the x second, all bells toll together. That is simply logic. Bell's concept to traffic signal questions, everything LCM concept you remember. Okay. How many seconds will take the toll together? So 3, 4, 5, 8 LCM divided by 2. 3 directly, 2 is cancelled, 5 directly, again 2, 3 directly, 1s, 2s and 5s. Not there. So product of the L shape number. Okay, no? So 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 2. So 5 2 is 10, 10 3 is 30, 32 is 60, 62 is 120. So LCM is 120. So 120th second. At the time of the 120th second, they told together. Got it, children? Very important concept. Bells, traffic signal, very important. Okay, next. Same concept. Easy question. 4 bells toll at the interval of 10, 20, 30 seconds. After how many seconds they together toll again? Children, we have 4 bells toll at the interval of 10, 20, 30 seconds beginning together. So what is the LCM? 10, 20, 30. Already we know logic. Divided by 10 okay, 20 not okay. So 30 must 60. 10, 20, 30. So LCM is 60. So 68th second. Okay, the answer. In case if you are confused, you can use this method 10, 20, 30 for LCM calculation. 10 ones, 2s, 3s, not divisible. So product. So 10 into 1 into 2 into 3. What is LCM? 60. Okay, children. Next. Traffic. Already I mentioned traffic bells LCM concept. Traffic light at one particular crossing. Okay. Traffic light at one particular crossing changes after every 40 seconds. The traffic light at next cross signal changes every 32 seconds. At a certain time, they changes together. After what time will they again change together? 40, 32 LCM. 40 and 32 LCM. 2 20s, 2 16s, 2 10s, 2 4s, 2 8s, 2 5s, 2 4s. So finally product 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 4. 5 4s 20, 20 into 2 40, 40 into 2 80 and 160. So LCM 168th second. LCM 168th second. Okay, no? Next. Very, 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 very important point. Suppose you take a 2 number. That 2 numbers product is equal to the product of their LCM and their HCF. Very, very important. The product of any 2 numbers is equal to the product of their LCM, their HCF. Given 2 numbers x and y, assume. Then x into y. So LCM of xy into HCF of xy. Very important point. Very, very, very important. Look at. The product of two numbers is 120 and their HCF is 6. What is the LCM of the two numbers? Two numbers product 120, HCF 6, LCM we don't know. So LCM 120 by 6. Answer 20. LCM is equal to 20. Very important concept. Very, very easy question. Very important. Very important. This logic. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM, their HCF. HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 693. So HCF is given. HCF, what is the HCF? 11. LCM 693. If one number is 77, one number is 77, another number. So 77 into another number we don't know. LCM 693, HCF 11. 11 ones, 11 sevens. 7 9 63, again 7 9 63, again 6 nines. Say x is equal to 99 is the answer. Got it? So what is the other number? 99. Other number is 99. Okay, children, very important. Look at note 4, very important point. Find the greatest double digit number which is divisible by the 4, 6, 12. Actually, what is the greatest double digit number? 99. But what is the requirement? Find the greatest double digit number which is divisible by the 4, 6, 9. You take a one number x and y. You take a one number x and y. That xy is exactly divided by the 4, 6, 12. And also that is the highest. After that xy, there is no other number. So you have to take that type of number. Okay. Then simply logic. Okay. Simply logic. This 19, initially double digit number 99 greatest. That 99 divided by the 4, 6, 12 LCM. LCM is 12. Why you are taking a LCM? Okay. No? Suppose your answer is, suppose, okay, no? Your answer is XY. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong means checking with 4, okay, checking with 6, okay, checking with 12, okay, then time completed. Okay, na? That's why logic. This xy is divisible by these three numbers, LCM of these three number. Okay, then you said it is divisible by each and every number also. Are you getting the point? Suppose after your education you are going to an interview. You are going to an interview. Okay, you are passed already. Okay, you completed engineering, BTech. Just you show the BTech certificate, he can understand. So you passed each and every subject to every class also. But you don't mention, I passed 10th class, I passed intermediate, I passed plus 2. Not necessary. Already you are finished BTech means each and everything also you are completed. In the same way, this xy is divisible by the LCM of the given. That means it is divisible by each and every number also. Okay, children. Okay. Now observe confirmation. Find the greatest double digit number which is divisible by the 4, 6, 12. So initially greatest double digit number 99. 4, 6, 12 LCM 12. How many times possible? 12, 8, 96. Remainder 3. This is waste. So then answer, okay, then answer required greatest number, greatest number, greatest number minus remainder. What is the greatest? 99. Remainder is 3. So answer 96 is the answer. Got the point? Greatest number minus remainder. This is the logic. One more example. Find greatest 3-digit number. Find greatest 3-digit number. 3-digit. Which is divisible by 3 and 5. So actually 3 and 5, what is the LCM? There is no common numbers. Directly multiply. 3 into 5, 15. Given two numbers so does not divisible by any other number, directly their multiplication is the LCM. Suppose 7 or 6. Okay, what is the LCM? This 7 or 6 does not divisible by any number. So 7 into 6, 42 direct LCM. Okay, no? 42 is the direct LCM. Okay, no? Leave it. So what is the greatest 3-digit number? 3 nines. 3 5 LCM 15. 15 6 are 90. Again 9 9. 15 6 are 90. Remainder 9. This is waste. So then answer 3 nines minus 9. Answer 990 is the answer. Okay, children.
Geobyte.